Okay, uh, today we're going to talk about our technological proposal of an LTE network simulator with smart meters, researchers Alex Pacheco and Orlando Reyes. The reality of the study purpose, as you can see, smart meters play an important role for smart cities of tomorrow. This allows to combine technology and participation driven by the Internet of Things. And the city of Cañete, located in the south of Peru, has 4G LTE mobile technology. Nevertheless, it is necessary to validate if this LTE network, where different types of data such as social networks, emails, videos, video chats, and audios are able to coexist, to cohabit with the electrical powered network to transmit information to the smart meters operation center. This reality must be taken into account by companies and the government itself, and that's why we are working on this kind of project, which we believe it's highly necessary to carry out this kind of project. Smart meters. Smart meter is a type of the digital electric meter that collects information on energy consumption and send it safely and reliably to a smart grid. ETSO 2010 says that this state-of-art technology enables two-way of interactive communication between the final consumer of energy and the electric companies. And smart meters propose an integration of different communication technologies to develop an advanced measurement infrastructure through an integration in all stages of delivery of the electricity supply. The strategic proposal we are working on, it's about the network simulator is designed to observe if the use of LTE networks for the automatic reading of smart meters is valid. If so, it will be great advance for smart grid technology in Cañete, which is our point, our city point, where we are planning to work and to work. Uh, Regarding the main objective of this proposal, this is to implement a simulator to model an LTE mobile communication network for advanced metering infrastructure in smart power grids. About the methodology of this investigation, this complies with three stages. A. Construction of the simulator and configuration of the work environment. And B. The creation of a base model to validate that it has the characteristic of LTE networks. And finally, advanced model that uses real base station locations. As a final result, the optimized model is achieved to validate if the LTE network supports and gives sufficient coverage of the MII nodes. As you can see here, AMI scope in smart grid, okay? Smart meters. Smart meters, unlike conventional meters, have a measurement technology 100% automated control, remote and data encryption. Undoubtedly, smart meters will change the way we manage energy and LTE mobile communication network. It's important to say that smart meters it's a cutting-edge technology that allows traditional meters to be exchanged for smart meters in the customer's home, buildings, or companies. Well, as you can see in the picture, we also we can smart meters can cover many other areas like smart grid, smart home, renewable energy, customer engagements, operation center, distribution intelligence, and plugging electric vehicles. No? which is these are part of the city of the future. That's why we believe that Cañete should be part of this new kind of city, no? To be a city of the future. As you can see here, we have the construction of the simulator. The description is based on a processor with values in Intel Xeon E3 1220 B5 with 3.0 gigahertz. The hard disk is 1 TB and the RAM is 16 GB, and the operating system Ubuntu 16.04 LTS. No? These are the characteristics of the server. Well, now we can see the construction of the advanced model. The picture on top shows the location of the base stations of a mobile operator, which is, one more time, this is the Cañete city. And then we have as you can see, the table 2, we have the location of the station. Well, the ID is 1878. The video is well, as you can see, those numbers are 1505010001, based on Lima, the province Cañete, district San Vicente of Cañete, and it's the CCPP is the San Vicente Cañete. With the lat PR, it's 1307693, and the long PR it's minus 76 38585, and the classic is urbano, the kind of area that's urbano. And also, again, we have the ID for the 1881. The UBGEO is 1505010053. Department of Lima, Province Cañete, District San Vicente de Cañete. And the CCPP is Los Girasoles. The lat PR is 30713. Long PR it's minus 76 38487, and the classification is a rural area. Talking about the results, well, the model is optimized. The optimized model has two stages were performed over an area of 500 square meters based on what is specified in ITU with RB 2135-1 for macro urban stage. The location provided by the coverage algorithm is used by the IMCES nodes. The simulation parameters are detailed in the data sheet of table 3, and the simulator results are shown in the right column in the same table. As you can see, that it's in the square red, where you have more specific information about these results. Okay. Now, let's continue with more results of our investigation. Talking about the throughput results in BPS. The right graph shows that the throughput remains above the 12,000 BPS for both stages, where the B presents the best result, the graphic B. Okay, so these are different scenarios. The graphs represent different scenarios. Okay, the coverage, the PDR, and the throughput BPS. Well, finally, talking about the discussion, thus, after the construction of the simulator applied in the city of Cañete, where the E node, B nodes were located, it was confirmed that LTE is a technology which provides improvements in the speed of data transmission in the coverage and quality of service of mobile signals. The benefit of this technological proposal by applying an LTE network simulator with smart electrical meters generates greater efficiency and reliability in the provision of mobile services from the generation and distribution stages. This coincides favorably with what has been asserted by other researchers who state that LTE networks are undoubtedly one of the best options for transmitting data from one emitter to an electrical service operator. Based on the validation and relevance of the simulator applied in the city of Cañete, it is required that the simulator to be proposed in a more specific stages or with different parameters, transforming cities into a broader concept such as smart cities. As you can see, this has been a very interesting project investigation, and we believe that this project will be taken into consideration by the mayor of the city of Cañete, the government, and many other authorities. Thank you very much.